What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jay, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm talking about money, man. I'm on that because due to your boy Donald Trump doing this little tariff situation he got popping, this has kind of, crashed the crypto market right now, which, again, if it's blood in the streets, man, we definitely trying to eat. So definitely looking for an opportunity to run up a bag, get some bread. If you paid attention to the thumbnail, today I'm talking about SUI. So it's undeniable that SUI has been performing this current crypto cycle. Right now it's been a little bit of a downtrend, which I'm overly okay with that, the last 23, 24, 25 days. But the project itself, I still think it's valid, and I think there's definitely more room to the upside, and the actual cycle as far as the bull run is not over. So again, I'm gonna say that one more time. I don't believe that it's over, okay? But I do believe it is gonna be particular coins. I do believe there's just so many coins out there. I don't know if the altcoin cycles that we've actually seen before are actually gonna be the same. But again, this video is about SUI, okay? The fact that it's on Coinbase as well too, and been performing the way it does, or it has been, I really like it because you can protect yourself, meaning that you can actually put a bag up. And what I mean by that is that crypto basically runs 24 hours a day, but with the use of a stop loss, you can basically protect yourself in the case of, you basically being asleep and waking up in the morning and, the coin actually being 50% down. So we keep it a stack on this channel, right? I don't hit y'all with crazy price predictions, okay? I don't believe SUI is going to, 20,000 this cycle or anything like that, but I definitely believe that SUI is actually gonna go past the last high, which is $5.37. I 100% believe that it's actually going to a minimum of $6 for me, and that's all I really need for me in this particular trade. And the reason I say that is this. Let me just throw something at y'all. For me personally, I look at trading like this, especially in the crypto realm, right? If you took $5,000 and you basically doubled that 8 times, that's 1.3 million. 5,000 doubled 8 times is 1.3 million. Okay, so just hold on to that. So all I need is a double up for this in particular trade, right? So let's go to the charts and I'm gonna tell you exactly what I'm seeing. Okay, so I'm just basically gonna start from where it actually got to this cycle as far as a high. So if you look at up here, okay, on the 6th of January, it got to about $5.37, okay? The last couple weeks, it's been a little bit of a downtrend. I completely understand that. You see the actual signal here where it basically crossed on the MACD and it went down. That's all right, I'm not tripping. I actually have a long-term SUI bag that I'm basically not touching, but I haven't been in a swing trade in SUI at all. This is actually gonna be the first swing trade I'm actually entering this cycle in on SUI, to be 100% honest. But you can see that right now, basically as of last night, let's go exact, right here, let's go to basically around, 6 p.m. yesterday, this actually came down to about $2.37, okay? Which, again, at one point in time, this basically created support back over here, which would have been back in November of last year. So you're seeing numbers around the 7th of November, the 6th of November, the 5th of November, right? So I feel like that would be the next real level of support. And it already showed you where it's trying to go or where it actually did go. Well, right now, currently, it's at $3.14. I actually had a buy order for this at $3. It triggered already, so I'm actually already in the trade, which is perfectly fine. For me, all I need this to do is to go back to up here at $5.37, and that's 80%. I'm taking that all day long. I don't care if it takes 2 days, 2 weeks, or 2 months based on the bag that I actually have in it. That's a trade that can basically really change your situation. So where would you put your stop loss? I can't tell you what to do. Again, this is not financial advice. You can already see how far it actually came down to, which is $2.36. Can it go down here again? Can it actually go lower? I believe anything is possible, okay? Especially in crypto, it's extremely volatile, and this is the wild, wild west, right? So you need to basically be trading with money that you can afford to lose. But the beauty of SUI on Coinbase is that you can actually use a stop loss, okay? So you can protect yourself to the downside. So for me personally, if you believe in, I do, in SUI, and I actually believe in the crypto bull run not actually being over, and this whole tariff situation eventually going to blow over at some point in time, and Bitcoin, which is the tide that rises all boats or raises all boats, actually going up to again maybe 120 to 150 or 170 then 200,000. Yeah, this is definitely gonna get my money out of where it's at right now, which is $3.11 at the current time of this actual video. So I wanted to just hop on here and tell y'all about this play because I don't know how much time we're actually gonna have in this downtrend, but based on, you can tell by the MACD here and how far it's actually come down, that, this is a situation where this is an extreme sell-off. Not saying it's gonna be a V-shaped recovery, but again, you wanna be greedy when people are fearful, and you want to be fearful when people are greedy, right? So I know it sounds a little bit cliche when it comes to trading, but this is just something I had to hop on here real quick and basically let y'all know about. If you wanted to take a position, I'll definitely let you know exactly what it is I'm doing in the future. But you already know, man, it's your boy Jay, and stay tuned for future crypto vids.